Oh man, got a little trophy here from the C10 Nationals. Let's go and see how we got it. Here at the C10 Nationals for registration. Day 1, technically, I guess. We kind of missed out on it. We'll let them know day 2. Is that right, Gary?
Yeah, that's right.
That's right. First obstacle. Oh, that guy just held up a $100 bill.
Oh, look at that. That's the only way that you can buy cars, with cash money $100 bills.
Cash money $100 bills.
But always bring cash.
Look at that, that's for sale. That's right up your alley, Gary.
I'm good, I've got a lot. Got a lot. Good enough.
Staked our claim right in the middle of the openness. Look out, guys, we got a watcher. I bet this guy wants to answer some questions. You know, that's a pretty nice truck. And that's a pretty nice truck. And that's a pretty nice truck. And all those are pretty nice trucks. But what the heck is this? And it's actually running too. Dude's inside of here. Oh look, he's got a little name tag. It says show off. What exactly are you showing off, bud? What are you showing off there? Yeah, I'm gonna slash your tires later. Bye. Now that's a nice truck. Gary, is that why they called you the Dust Devil back in the day?
It has nothing to do with it.
That has nothing to do with it?
No.
They called you Dust Devil for other reasons?
Apparently so.
Here at LS Fest. Wait, wrong show.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
Here at C10 Nationals, making outstanding developments. So we're just hours away from the awards ceremony, but right before that, what?
It's great to be in Atlanta.
It's great to be in Atlanta. It is great to be in Atlanta. Awards are just hours away, but before that we have the burnout contest, which we are unfortunately not in this time around. Teased you, but we are gonna have some great footage of some great burnouts. Before then, we're gonna try to weasel our way into the vendors and see if we can't convince the team at Holly to be our friends and maybe give us free stuff someday. We're also just gonna walk around causing a ruckus. Master Duster Gary here is dusting off the truck for the 5th time in the hour. Judges have already come by, but Gary has hopes that he can manifest a W just by dusting. You know, it's kind of metaphoric actually. Gary keeps dusting, world keeps turning, dust keeps falling. Gary's tuning. Gary's one of them laptop boys.
Yeah, see this? Charges that.
Oh, you're not tuning, you're charging.
Yeah.
You're a poser.
Like, hey, can you tune my truck? Like, nah, but I can charge your phone. Just 80%.
We call that the iTune. To the vendors. Hey Gary,
Crikey, mate, look at the size of that line.
hey Gary, you know this guy? You know this guy? Are you in cahoots with this guy? Who do you work for?
Get on.
Who do you... Oh. We are currently in transit. Yeah, we're surrounded by lots of super cool, nice things, but there's one thing that really stood out to us, which is the super cool 12-cylinder GM motor. It's a twin 6 is what they call it. They made 12 of them one year out of Wisconsin. And it's in a truck, a big old Chevy truck here at C10 Nationals. So we're gonna go check it out and show you because it's pretty cool. And some of the specs that they have listed on that thing are pretty sweet too. Yeah, that's a lot of damage. 12 cylinders.
That's a big one.
24 valves.
2 cubic inch though. It's a hybrid, if you guys didn't know.
It is a hybrid.
It says it.
Yeah.
It wouldn't lie. Oh, there's the sheet.
Yeah, it says hybrid in there if you can't see it. It's only 11 were in Wisconsin in 5 years of production. 72 quarts of water. Golly, that's an Olympic swimming pool. We got quite the little steering shaft here. Look at that. The old needle threader, huh?
Wow.
Yeah.
Through the header.
That one takes skill. Gotta have a steady hand to pull that off. 3 fans and it still runs hot. Look at that freaking radiator.
Yeah, that's a massive radiator.
That is not a freaking C10. What?
This ain't right.
That's incorrect.
They're at the wrong place.
Here at the Auto Metal Direct booth. What's this supposed to be, Cody? Is this just like a little C10 made totally out of Auto Metal Direct parts?
I believe so.
It seems that way. This is false advertising. Our gap's never gonna look that good. That's not right.
No.
You can't get your gaps like that.
No.
No. I don't care how good your metal is. They done trying
They've done some work.
to pull the old switcheroo on us.
Yeah, this is this stuff fits way too good.
I mean, look at that. Like everything lines up. Yeah, whatever.
Look, all the bolts fit. That's not right.
We're just playing around. In all seriousness, we're just doing a gag because we actually use Auto Metal Direct all the time. We're actually currently pretty much have our entire bed for our awesome LT5 C10 build we're doing built with Auto Metal Direct, minus the floor because we're making our own floor because it's freaking low as heck. But Auto Metal Direct, awesome. Products, great. Customer service, great. Seriously, no complaints with them on all their panels. We use their panels on so many cars. So many cars. Almost every build we do has a contribution from them. So we're not being serious. Their gaps are that good. Their metal is that good. Man, this van is crazy. Little Chevy van. What is going on in here? Cody, did you see the steering setup? That's your input shaft down to this little transfer box, down to this rack. What the heck is going on? On bags, ride tech setup. Then while you're cruising, you can set your drink on the motor. I don't.
Maybe a little noisy. Oh, they're gonna have to do some good sound editing.
Yeah, I bet the road noise is really bad. I mean,
I take welded that. Yeah, those are all me. They brought them.
really?
No, not really.
I didn't think so.
They're really good too.
Alrighty, we're here at the C10 Nationals. Just finished a very disappointing burnout competition, but
Very bad.
Ooh. It was after LS Fest. It was quite disappointing.
yeah, no disrespect. I mean, we're being pretty disrespectful.
There's some
But
good attempts made.
there were some. There was valid acts of valor. The hearts were in the right place. It's just compared to LS Fest, we just weren't really, getting off to it. But we're here at the awards ceremony, and sitting down in some nice plastic chairs for like the first time all day, which is the best part of the day actually. Beats the burnout competition. And hopefully we can get away with some awards here. That's the goal. We'll see here, and I'll keep you posted. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Lifting them 20s, Gary?
Yeah.
What's going on?
We won an award
Explain yourself.
at the car show.
What car show?
Truck show.
Yeah. Truck show.
Whoa, get it right, guys.
C10 Nationals in Nashville.
What award? Who are you?
Won Best GMC. Look at that.
It is a GMC. It was the best one there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There wasn't an award for best lowered twin turbo C5 chassis stepside GMC, so we'll settle for what we got.
Next year we'll win. I don't know. The best of show.
What was your favorite part of the show, Gary?
There was some pretty good chicken. There was some drip chicken.
There was some pretty good chicken. That drip chicken was pretty good.
It was good. Waited 45 minutes, but man, it was worth it.
That line, that
I
line.
think the best part was whenever you went up to Chester from Bowler.
You
was pretty good.
You mean Craig? Bowler Transmission. We're here because we know Craig. Look at Craig. He's selling things. Bowler Craig. Shout out to Bowler Craig. He's our man. Bowler Craig, my man. Oh, I'm Chester.
Yeah.
Craig gave us some free water though. So
Oh, yeah.
We appreciate Craig.
Craig did give us some free water. No, Bowler Chester, we love you. One last thing. Why do they call you the Dust Devil, Gary?
That's none of your damn business.
Ooh. And we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for tuning in to Charlie's Custom C10 Nationals. Next week's video. Build breakdown. Build them, drive them.
Okay.
Chocolate rain.
Okay. I gotta clean the windshield.
Well, no, the video's already recorded. I'm just saying that's the video we're posting next week.
Was the windshield clean?
The windshield was clean.
Okay. It's not now.
And it was dusted.
Got a couple bugs. Cool.
Thank you. Thank you.
Build and drive. Build them, drive them. Here we go.